Welcome to the day 9 of my 90-day coding challenge, and this is what we'll be building. So it says create a simple login form using HTML and JavaScript. So this is the requirements here. So we have to fulfill all these requirements. So not to waste much of our time, let's go into this project. So what are the things we need? We need to create our input. All these inputs will be inside our HTML elements, and the script, that is the JavaScript that runs this function, will be in our script. So now let's go to inputs. So the first thing is email. Let's add let me use class email and placeholder into email. So now input password, class password, okay, and button login button. So now in our script elements, in our scripts, we add, okay, these actually some suggestions, but I don't want to follow it. So we have email input is equals to document dot query selector, that's dot email. Actually, this is showing the suggestions of what I want to type, but I want you guys to follow so that you understand, okay, what I'm trying to do right here. So okay, this is email input, and we are bringing our class element, our class ID, let me just use that word, into our script, so that everything that will be happening in this place right here will be, the JavaScript will be getting it. Do you understand? So now the next thing we will do is our add event listener. Do you understand? We want you to listening to the events happening in that user phase stuff. So what we do is login btn dot add event listener. Okay, let me click this. As I've said in my other videos, this is for function. This right here is for function. So we inputted this to listen to the values here. So this is another variable name for it. So simply what we did right here is if email is equal to empty string, that means if the user is not typing anything, if the user is not typing anything, and the user click login button, it should not proceed. So it should alert email field is empty. So same thing for password, it should allow password field is empty, and same thing for including these @. So, and right here is where we added our password length. You understand? So let's move to our console and let's check the result. Okay, I think this is blocking it. Okay, now we have this is without @. Okay, let's test it when it is empty. It says email field is empty. So now let's use this. Email must include @ symbol. So now @gmail.com. So now it says login successful. So that's just how to build this simple web app. Thank you for joining me on this day 9.